What if I told you that you could start a business today, make money while you sleep, and your business partner never eats, never sleeps, and never complains because it's artificial intelligence? Sounds crazy? Well, it's not. People, just like you, are making 5K, 10K, even 100K a month using AI tools you already have access to. In this video, I'm revealing 7 real AI business ideas that are making people serious cash, and how you can start them even if you're broke or not tech savvy. So stay with me, because this could change your life. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Your Channel Name, where we decode the smartest ways to build income streams, grow your skills, and stay ahead of the game. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics of 2025, how to make money with AI. But not just theory, we're talking real, actionable business ideas you can start today. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on more real-world income ideas every week. Let's start with a super in-demand business idea: AI automation services for small businesses. Small businesses want to save time, but don't know how to automate. You step in using AI tools like Zapier, Make.com, ChatGPT, and Notion AI to automate repetitive tasks. What you do: set up email responders, automate invoice creation, schedule content with AI. Money potential: $500, $2,000 per client monthly. Offer packages: you don't need to code, just learn workflow platforms. The content world is exploding. You can start a niche AI content creation agency. Focus: YouTube scripts, blog posts, social media captions, AI tools to use, ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney, or DAL for visuals, Descript or Pictory for video creation. How to monetize: charge per blog, video, or post. Offer monthly content packages. Use Fiverr or Upwork to start. Success. Example: agencies making 10K plus per month by delivering 20 to 30 videos posts using AI and a human editor. As AI grows, so does the confusion. People are willing to pay to learn how to use AI tools. Your business: offer workshops, one-on-one coaching, or digital courses teaching ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva AI, etc. Target freelancers, entrepreneurs, students. How to launch: create a free PDF guide and upsell your course. Host webinars. Use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable. Money potential: courses selling at $30, $300 each. Coaching packages at $200 plus. AI-generated art is trending like crazy. Platforms like Etsy and Redbubble are filled with AI-generated posters, t-shirts, and even coloring books. Steps: use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create unique images. Upload to print-on-demand sites like Teespring, Redbubble, or Merch by Amazon. Sell templates on Creative Market or Etsy. Bonus: use ChatGPT to write product descriptions and SEO titles. Real case: one AI artist made $8,000 in a month with vintage-style AI posters. Imagine making videos, growing a YouTube channel, and never showing your face. That's the power of a faceless AI YouTube channel. What you need: ChatGPT for scripting, Pictory, Descript for video generation, 11 Labs for voiceover, Canva or Midjourney for thumbnails. Niches to try: tech facts, motivation, luxury, business breakdowns. Monetize via ad revenue, affiliate marketing, digital product shoutouts. Time to monetize: as little as 3 to 6 months with consistency. Turn ChatGPT into your personal ghostwriter and sell ebooks in any niche. What to do: pick a niche, e.g. parenting tips, business hacks, affirmations. Use ChatGPT to write it, format with Canva, sell on Amazon KDP or Gumroad. Money potential: $5 or $15 per sale, recurring income. Bundle ebooks for more value. Extra: translate into multiple languages using AI for global reach. Affiliate marketing plus AI equals passive income powerhouse. How to start: create content, YouTube, TikTok, blog, reviewing AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, WriteSonic, etc. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts. Use AI video editors to make short, engaging videos. Post on TikTok Reels, YouTube Shorts, Instagram. Money potential: $100 or $1,000 plus per sale, depending on the affiliate program. Here's the truth: AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to take your job if you don't learn how to use it. Final thoughts: pick one idea to start. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on learning, earning, scaling. Reinvest your profits into improving tools or hiring help. Comment below which AI idea excites you the most. I'm replying to everyone who's serious about starting. And if you want a free guide with the exact tools and links I mentioned, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next video will show you exactly how to build one of these businesses step by step.